Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick look of what I did on my day off today. So I got all the gears ready, headed out. The boarding trip always starts in the yard. And here we can see that Rappel Weaver. This guy was trying to get a Sheila for weeks now. He finally starts to get noticed after building 4 nests. And some red-billed firefinch are very beautiful. They're always in the bougainvillea flowers. Headed out the street a bit, meet up with my dog squad not too far from the house. Gonna be castrating that lot soon.
Dog squad.
Bella's the girl in front there, she's on heat. So I gotta catch them while we can.
So I'm gonna be sterilizing the lot.
There was a tree loaded with chestnut weavers. Probably have to get photos later on, but they're hiding in the brush. They'll be beautiful. The breeding season is coming up soon, so we'll see all the colorful birds. Was back at it again. Basically, it's very hot today, so I'm not walking very fast. You can see I ended up on some secret location, but here you can see a beautiful white-headed buffalo weaver. I also managed to get a few shots of this pied wheat. Yep, long dry roads, couldn't stay out for very long. These Namakwa doves are so elegant. There am I, you can see the sweat on my face, and I'll head back to the house. Took an hour and 30 minutes. I was expected to be there twice as long. Tune in to see what I get up to in Africa. Subscribe to the channel, man, like the video, comments, it matters.